Vacation every day in your new home at Welford Residences. Hello, it's a lovely God's Day. I'm Douglas Pañares of Filipino Homes. The most vital feature of your home at Welford Residences are these four locations. Gaisano Grand Mall for shopping, personal care, banking, supermarket, etc. Mactan Doctors Hospital for your health care maintenance and emergency. Plantation Bay Resort Hotel for fine dining, amusements, and sea sports. Cebu-Cordova Bridge, your entry to Cebu City, and SM Seaside, the biggest mall. Groundbreaking will be on the third quarter of 2021. Completion of Madison, a 6-story mid-rise tower, will be on the last quarter of 2023. Live in your home like a hotel guest. There's a waiting lobby for your visitors. Then, accompany your visitors to the elevator. And show to your friends your Penthouse Loft studio. Swim with your friends. The kids will love this playground. Here are the prices of the units as of February 11, 2021. Penthouse Loft Studio Deliverable, finished and unfurnished, made ready for your stylish furnishing. Free 1 horsepower window type AC. Wood vinyl tile flooring on living, dining, and kitchen areas. Windows with clear glass and aluminum casement. Steel deck ceiling, sprinkler, and painted walls. Solid main door. Provision, outlets for cable and telephone. Deliverable for kitchen. Modular kitchen sink with ceramic tile finish splashboard. Just make this simple standalone sink to the size of your ideal kitchen with the cabinets. For toilet and bath, complete toilet and shower fixtures with exhaust fan. Why invest now? Gainful opportunities. The price is at its lowest level at an initial construction price. This price will be gradually increased as the completion nears on December 2023. Reservation fee is still $10,000. The 20% down payment DP spread is now 24 months and will be gradually shortened to 18, 12, and to 6 months. Balance of 80% is for bank financing after DP full payment. Parking starts at 800,000 to 1.28 million per slot. Prices of the 16 parking slots of Madison Tower as of February 11, 2021. More reasons to invest now. The third bridge, Cebu-Cordova, had already fueled the rise of property values in Mactan Island. The planned fourth bridge of Mactan have further increased the sales of homes and condos even with this pandemic situation. Start investing now. Your home. Consequences of delaying. This loft condo might not be available in our listings. However, you may buy it at a higher price from the buy and sell investors. Ways to start your vacation every day in your home at Welford Residences. From available units in slide 8, choose 2 or 3 units. One of them might still be available. Email them to me with a copy of your ID and contact number so I can send the confirmation of available units with their 3 payment options. Then, the developer, Philippine Estate Incorporated, will send you the buyer's form to fill out and how to make the online bank reservation of 10,000. This Banyu Beach is 10 minutes from your home at Welford Residences. I'm Douglas Pañares. Email douglas@aperiv.com. Call WhatsApp, phone number 63923-168-3270. And God bless.